Hello. Nyinga and Herin Achieng Ombija. Kawono wado konjore rangi. Today we are going to learn about colors. My name is Herin Achieng Ombija, for those who don't know me. So I've got all these colors here for you to learn. Kawono kakasenyi so wado konjore about colors in Togo. Kuruma and Rateng. Black. Rateng. And then ma and green is majan. So anything that is green is called majan, because like leaves, majani, it's like majani in Kiswahili, which means leaves. Ma and majan. Rambulu or bulu, if you wish. Rabulu, blue. Then ma and ratong. Anything that is yellowish, orangish is called ratong. Ratong. I think they derive that name from eggs, because eggs are ratong in color. So this is tong, means eggs, ratong. Yellow. And then red is rakwar. Rakwar. Anything that is of reddish tones is called rakwar. Because there are some colors that we don't specifically have names for. So this will just be called rakwar. And then that is rachar. So anything that is whitish, no, white is just white. So white will always be rachar. So keep practicing, and I hope you didn't forget the words that we've learned in the past couple of weeks, or is it last month? It's long since I was on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and we'll see you next time. If you have any topics or suggestions that you think we should talk about, or things that you think that you want to know what they are called in Luo, kindly let me know in the link below, and we will see you next time. Have a good day, and don't forget how to say Nyinga and... So my name is Herin, Nyinga and Herin, and we'll see you next time. Oriti Wanere.